Sister.
Hey,
Where are you going changing shoes so early?
it has been raining for so many days. I went to check if any mushrooms have grown. I'm just coming to make hot pot today.
I went looking for it a few times and still couldn't find it.
Anyway, I've got nothing better to do. It's the same even if I don't go pick wild vegetables, nettles to make hot pot.
Oh my goodness, we'll just use this hot pot base to cook it in a bit. I also brought some aged soybean skin.
Then you take it and put it there.
Sister, take a look. Huane, look, there are 4 here.
Sister, I have 2 here as well. This mushroom is growing in the crack of a stone. Look, this mushroom is so nice and fresh. It's still quite nice, look. There is another one here.
Sister, I made the right choice coming with you today.
And you said you weren't coming anymore.
Just coming is enough.
These 2 are also quite nice. I didn't expect to gather so much.
I'm having so much fun gathering that I don't even want to go back.
We'll go back after we finish picking. Even though this one is small, it's fresh. This small one is so nice. Oh, this one is very small. Picking it up is so satisfying. Look, we have this much. The 2 sisters can only eat this much.
I have about this much too, that's almost enough.
Yes, look at this. Pour them gently, otherwise they'll get ruined. If they grow up, there will be even more.
Once they grow up, it won't be this easy anymore.
Yes, that's right. To wash mushrooms, you need to rinse them with water to get them clean. Alright, let's go cook breakfast. Sister, I'm going to chop the vegetables. I'm going to cut some Chinese cabbage for the hot pot.
Okay.
Soak the bean curd sheets.
Sister, I'm done washing.
Then you go light the fire.
Ah, alright.
Pork lard makes the soup taste better. Put the meat into the wok. Add the chili bean paste. This smells so fragrant. It tastes a bit chewy and is very fragrant.
Even boiled shoe soles would taste delicious. Cooking mushrooms today is even better.
When the water boils, put these mushrooms down. Pour these side dishes in together. Alien,
What are you cooking? I smell the fragrance from far away.
cooking mushrooms. We picked them early this morning.
This is cooked with fermented black bean hot base. I said I smelled it from far away.
This is still fragrant.
Then let me go get some rice.
These mushrooms are about to be done cooking. Let's eat these mushrooms first.
I'll scoop it out for you. You all have really worked hard.
Let's eat together, everyone. You've scooped it all. Wait for you guys.
Come, Auntie.
I'll scoop it myself.
These mushrooms are too comfortable.
You should also pick some up to eat.
Give me a whole bowl of this.
My luck today is truly good.
Just arrived and ran into you guys having this meal. Then you should eat more mushrooms. This is just happening to run into it. I've had enough of getting pricked today.
You guys are really good at picking these mushrooms.
It's just that following her today brought good luck. I didn't find any the few times I went before.
Picking mushrooms just relies on luck.
That's because you didn't run into them before. We ran into it just like this today.
Come quickly, eat more, Auntie.
Your filial piety is good.
You go to pick mushrooms, it's really hard work.
This hot pot base has boiled and absorbed the flavor.
Grandma, next time you go pick mushrooms, call me. I'll go along with you to pick them.